Introducing the newest member of the Pescador family of fishing kayaks, the Pescador Pilot. The Pescador Pilot is an affordable sit-on-top, packed to the gills with fishing features, and complete with the Pilot Drive pedal system. The optimized gear ratio in the Pilot Drive allows for effortless, all-day hands-free cruising, so you can keep your lure in the water longer. The quick key system makes it easy to engage and disengage the drive quickly to zero draft, making launching and docking a breeze, while the custom-designed turbo flaps reduce noise and keep turbulence to a minimum. Forward and reverse motion, paired with easy grip, low-profile rudder steering control, allows for a super tight turn radius, offering all-around maneuverability in those hard-to-reach places. A recess in the hull stores the lightweight drive while not in use, and the center scupper lid allows for easy transportation and storage. In addition to the drive system, the Pescador Pilot has all the fishing features a serious angler could want, including a stadium-style comfort-focused captain's chair with on-the-fly adjustability to fit a range of heights. Bow storage pods with the transducer scupper provide a secure place for gear and electronics. Pre-installed inserts for transducer mounting and precisely placed inlet outlets for direct wiring to the transducer scupper and display make electronic install a breeze. The Pescador Pilot also comes loaded with 2 Yak Attack gear tracks with easy mounting points for all accessories.
Isaac here, founder and product specialist at Brooklyn Kayak Company, standing in front of the PK13 pedal drive kayak. The PK13 is 13 feet long, 33¼ inches wide, weighs 80 pounds, and has a weight capacity of 550 pounds. The PK13 comes equipped with a front carry handle for easy transportation. You have the front triangle storage system, which I mostly use as a cooler. It comes with the self-bailing scupper, and is secured with the bungee tie-down system. The PK13's pedal drive system, it has an instant reverse function, so as you're pedaling forward, if you want to stop, just go backwards. The PK13 speed ranges from 3 to 5 miles an hour, depending on the exertion you'd like to get. Furthermore, it comes with the splash card, which dubs as a cup holder and a tackle tray. The PK13 has 9 scuppers, 6 in the cockpit, 2 in the rear, and 1 in the front storage. Here you can see accessory mounting brackets so that you don't have to drill into the kayak. It comes pre-drilled for most sizes. You can fit articulating rod holders, fish finder mounts, and the like. The PK13 seat is set on a rail system so that you can adjust for all rider sizes. Kids of all ages and adults of all sizes. Comfortable. The 2 side carry handles are extremely durable and make it easier for transportation and moving the kayak around. You have a hand-controlled rudder system for easy maneuverability. Also, this kayak comes equipped with 3 flush-mounted rod holders with covers to keep out any stagnant water. We have a round storage hatch with insert, and it's a through hatch, so you can clean the inside of the kayak and access this area quite easily. Underneath, you'll see the flush-mounted rudder, so you don't have to worry about any debris or rocks in the water. And one of my favorite things about the PK13 is the cockpit area. I walk around this cockpit, you can see from the diamond pattern, this is meant for standing up. Very stable for casting, for fishing, just for even standing up and stretching your legs. This kayak is meant for an all-day trip and very comfortable.
The Pescador Pro is a reel fishing kayak for reel enthusiasts, chock full of the features and performance attributes discerning anglers have come to expect. The versatile hull is fully capable on lakes, rivers, and inland coastal waterways, with broad sidewalls and a straight tracking keel working together to create the perfect balance of maneuverability and stability. The Pescador Pro features a new removable stadium-style seat with 2 seating positions, upright and recline, providing move-on-the-fly height options for paddling and casting. Storage and rigging opportunities are abundant, with a stylish bow tank well with mesh cover, rear tank well, 5-inch stern deck plate, molded-in rod holders, recessed tackle box storage, accessory track system, and even a center console with transducer scupper for rigging fish finder electronics. Comfort and convenience are also plentiful, with comfort carry handles, keeper's foot brace system, skid plate, paddle park, and a coupler. The Pescador Pro is offered in 2 sizes, a 10-foot model and a 12-foot model, and are both available in a variety of stylish colors, with colored bungee and gear track options also available to add an extra pop of color for both style and safety.